This video presents a conceptual perspective for discussion and does not intend to challenge or diminish any religious beliefs or practices.
What if I told you the most powerful technology humans ever built wasn't AI, it was religion? Before science, before electricity, before we understood the stars, humans still needed answers. Why are we here? What's right and wrong? What happens after death? But more than that, we needed something else. Coordination. Millions of strangers believing the same thing, acting in sync, without ever meeting each other. That's what religion really solved. Not just belief, but large-scale cooperation. It turned tribes into civilizations. Because if everyone shares the same story, you can build anything. Religion wasn't just belief, it was technology. A social operating system running on stories. Stories that spread like algorithms. Stories that shaped behavior at scale. Stories that built civilizations. And for thousands of years, it worked. But evolution didn't stop. Human intelligence kept scaling. And eventually, we started building systems that don't just guide humans, but think alongside them. Artificial intelligence. A system that doesn't need stories. It runs on data. It learns in real time. It predicts outcomes. It optimizes decisions at a global scale. And you can already see the shift. Massive AI data centers. Factories built just to power intelligence. Entire chip industries struggling to keep up. Projects like Terafab exist because the old system isn't enough anymore. And here's the deeper connection. Evolution doesn't just happen in biology. It happens in systems. First, genes carried information. Then, stories carried information. Now, data carries information. And each time, the system got better at scaling. Faster, more precise, less dependent on human limitation. So if religion helped us survive, and cooperate, and build civilization, then what happens when the next system starts doing that better than us? Because this time, it doesn't just guide belief. It can shape reality. It decides what you see, what you learn, what you believe next. It can optimize entire societies, or quietly reshape them. So maybe the real question isn't, will AI replace religion? It's whether religion was just an early version of a much bigger system that evolution has been building all along. And if that's true, then this isn't just technology. This is the next step in what humans are becoming. And if you feel like we're finally starting to ask the right questions, then stay, subscribe, and write your thoughts below, even the weird ones, especially the ones that make people stop and think deeper. Because those questions are usually the ones that change everything. Think about it.